this video I will show you a better way to prevent your weapon clipping to the wall. We start by adding the weapon collision script onto your weapon. In this script we have an obstacle layer, the rotation speed, the move amount and the raycast distance. The raycast distance will trigger the movement of the weapon. The move amount is the movement it will do towards you or down. The rotation speed is the speed of the movement, and the rotation angle is where the gun will point to. And the obstacle layer are all the layers you want the obstacle to retract from. So let's start by adding the script to the weapon. In this script we also need a camera. The camera is needed to do a raycast to see how far we are from the wall. If we are too close to the wall, we will start rotating to our target position. If we go away from the wall, the weapon will go back to its original position. Now you can choose how far the weapon will rotate and move by changing different parameters in your inspector. Here you can choose how far the weapon will rotate and move towards you if needed. You can also change the rotation speed. Now if the weapon will move away, we can go to our player model. In this player model we will add another collider. One collider will be used as normal, the other one will be used when the weapon is fully retracted to prevent clipping to the wall. If you can see, we have one wider collider and one smaller. The one fully wide will prevent our weapon from going to the wall. As you can see, the weapon will now be into the player's collider when we are too close to the wall. So I can go through, but the weapon will be inside our collider. So if you can add a script that can disable another script, you cannot shoot yourself because you are in your collider. This is a better solution than using two cameras, because two cameras will render twice as much and have a bigger performance impact than this way. You can customize everything how much you want, so you can use it with different lengths of guns, with different size of guns, and make it more realistic for your game. I hope this was helpful, and the scripts will be available in the description. See you later.